Om Shri Sai Ram. In today's class, let us discuss what is LCM, lowest common multiple. This LCM is not there in your textbook, is not there in syllabus, but in your future classes, you will learn what is LCM, what is lowest common multiple in your future classes. So, if you don't learn LCM, it is very difficult to solve any type of problem in your future classes. And it is some extra information to you, and if you learn this LCM, you will understand most of all the things in the mathematics. Please do learn this LCM, what I am going to teach in this class, in this session. Please study what is LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. You have studied factors and multiples, but in that, you know what is multiple. We are discussing lowest common multiples among 2 or 3 numbers. Let us know how to find lowest common multiple of numbers. Find the lowest common multiple, that is LCM, of 20, 25 and 30. Find the lowest common multiple of 20, 25 and 30. To find the LCM of two numbers, we should know about prime numbers and composite numbers. If you have to learn what is LCM, if you have to know what is LCM, first you should know what are prime numbers. If you understand what are prime numbers, then you can easily solve any types of problems in LCM and HCF, in any types of problem in factors and multiples. Now let me teach what is prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which cannot be divided by any number. Prime numbers are the numbers which cannot be divided by any number. But it can be divided by 1 under that number itself. For example, let us take the number 5. 5 cannot be divided by any number. 5 cannot be divided by any number, but 5 can be divided by 1 and 5. 1 5s are 5, that's all. Like that, I am saying prime number is a number which cannot be divided by any number, but it can be divided by 1 and that number itself. The prime numbers up to 100 are given below. Let us know what are all the different prime numbers. Let us know what are all the different prime numbers up to 100. I am again saying prime numbers are the numbers which cannot be divided by any number. Okay, the different prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 93 and 97. These are all the different prime numbers up to 100. But you need not remember all these prime numbers. But to solve any problem like LCM or HCF, you should know the list of the prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. The next 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, and after 2, 3 comes. 3 is the second smallest prime number. and 5 is the third largest, 5 is the third smallest prime number. Like that it goes. You see it here. If you want any information, if you want this information to be with you, you can take some screenshot. You can take screenshot. Okay. Now I will move. Let us go to the first question. Let us go to the first question. Find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Now we should find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. To find the LCM, first you should start dividing the numbers 20, 25 and 30 by the lowest prime number. Okay. To find the LCM, you should first start dividing the number from the lowest prime number. Which is the lowest prime number? Here I have listed the list of prime numbers. You can see here. Up to 100. What I have told? Here I have listed the list of prime number up to 100. Okay. Here you can see. Okay. In this, which is the lowest prime number? The lowest prime number is 2. What you are seeing here. Okay. That is 2. Okay. 2. So I will start from 2. I will divide 20, 25 and 30 from 2. So if I start dividing, I can divide 20 by 2. That is 2 tens are 20. Okay. So I will write 10 under the 20. Okay. Now I have to divide 25 by 2. Okay. I cannot divide 25 by 2 because 25 cannot be divided by 2. That's why I will write 25 as it is. And I can divide 30 by 2. That's why I will write 2 15s are 30. That's why I will write 15 under 30. Okay. Next what I will do? Again I will take the prime number 2 and divide the numbers 10, 25 and 15. Okay. 10, 25 and 15. Now if I divide 10 by 2, I will get 5 as the quotient. If I try to divide 15 and 25, I cannot divide 15 and 25 by 2. That's why I will write 25 and 15 as it is. Okay. Now 5, 25 and 15 cannot be divided by 2 further it cannot be divided by 2. So what I will do, I will try to divide 5, 25 and 15 by the number 5, because 5 is the next prime number. 5 is the next prime number. After 2, 3 comes. After 3, 5 comes. What I will do, since 5 and 25 is divisible by 5, I will divide these numbers by 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15. Okay. All these 3 numbers can be divided by 5. That's why I will divide it by 5. Okay. Because after 2, 3 comes. After 3, 5 comes. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 25. 5 15s are 20. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15. Now I will try to divide 1, 5 and 3 by 5. But I can only divide 5. But I cannot divide 1 and 3. So I will write 1 and 3 as it is and I will divide 5. That is 5 ones are 5. Now what I will do? Now what I will do? I cannot divide 1 and 3 by 5. Okay. Neither 1 is divisible by 5 or neither 3 is divisible by 5. So what I will do? I will take the second lowest prime number, that is 3, and I will divide it by 3. That is 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. And I will write 1 as it is because 1 cannot be divided by 3. Now what I will do, I will multiply all these numbers, that is all these numbers 2, 2, 5, 5 and 3. Okay, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25s are 100, 100 3s are 300. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25s are 100, 100 3s are 300. So 300 is the LCM. 300 is the LCM. First, always note. First, you should try. First, you when finding the LCM, you should start from the lowest prime number, that is 2. When you cannot divide any number by 2, then you should move on to the second lowest prime number, that is 3. Okay, that is 3. And if you cannot divide any number by 3, then you should have to move to the third lowest prime number, that is 5. That is 5. And if you cannot divide any number by 5, then you have to move to the next prime number, that is 7. Like that you have to go. Now let us take another another problem, that is find the LCM of 12 and 18. Okay, find the LCM of 12 and 18. To find the LCM, let us start dividing 12 and 18 by the lowest prime number, that is 2. To find the LCM, let us start dividing 12 and 18 by the lowest prime number, that is 2. So if I divide 12 and 18 by 2, I get 6 and 9 as the quotient. So I will write 6 under 12 and 9 under 18. Okay. Now I will again divide 6 and 9 by 2. Okay, by 2. 2 3s are 6, and since I cannot divide 9 by 2, okay, 9 cannot be divided by 2, I will write 9 as it is. 9 as it is. Now, what are the numbers that I have got now? 3 and 9. So, both 3 and 9 cannot be divided by 2. So, since both 3 and 9 cannot be divided by 2, I will move to the next lowest prime number. Which is the next lowest prime number? That is 3. You can see here. The next lowest prime number is 3. Okay, after that 5 comes. Okay. Now I will divide 3 by 3. That is 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now I will again divide 1 and 3 by 3. Okay, by 3. So since 1 cannot be divided by 3, I will write 1 as it is, and I will divide 3 by 3, that is 3 1s are 3. Now what I will do, I will multiply all these factors and find the LCM. What are all those factors? 2, 2, 3 and 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So 36 is the LCM. Okay. Now let us move to the third problem, that is find the LCM of 24 and 90. Okay. To find the LCM, we should start dividing the numbers 24 and 90 by the lowest prime number, that is 2. Okay, 24 and 90 can be divided by the lowest prime number, that is 2. Okay, that is, if we divide 24 by 2, it is 2 12s are 24 and 2 45s are 90. Okay, now I will again divide 12 and 45 by 2. Okay, so 2 6s are 12, and since I cannot divide 45, I will write 45 as it is. Now I will again divide 6 and 45 by 2, and 2 3s are 6, and since I cannot divide 45 by 2, I will write 45 as it is. Now I have got 3 and 45 as the quotient. Since 3 and 45 cannot be divided by 2, I will move to the next prime number, that is 3. Next lowest prime number. That is 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 15s are 45. Now I will again divide 1 and 15 by 3. Okay, that is 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now I have got the quotients as 1 and 5. Okay. Now I cannot divide 1 and 5 by 3. So I will move to the next lowest prime number. Which is the next lowest prime number after the 3? That is 5. 5 is the next lowest prime number. That is 5 ones are 5 and 1 cannot be divided by 5. That's why I will write 1 as it is. Now since I have got 1 at the last, I will multiply all these factors. Now I will multiply all these factors, that is 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 3s are 72, 72 5s are 360. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72, 72 5s are 360. Now the LCM is 360. Okay. This is how you should find LCM of a number. If you learn how to find LCM of a number, you can learn addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, and also any problem in factors and multiples. Thank you.